Hey, Mickey, it's really interesting. This market right now in June doesn't seem to be doing anything, and I guess the question is that typical for this month?
Yeah, we're in the summer months. It's now school's out, people start taking vacation, and we're getting close to the 4th of July, and it's pretty typical that things start slowing down. There's not a lot of news. Earnings season's over, so this is pretty much the norm.
But one of the things that intrigued me about what's going on is oil prices really dropping, considering that more people, at least if you read the statistics, seem to be traveling more. Kids are out of school, families getting up, going to see family, or just taking that long-awaited summer vacation. Could that have an impact on the market for the summer?
Yes, it could. The oil prices definitely are hitting what they're saying is a bear market. And if oil prices continue to drop, it's kind of interesting because in a lot of ways, lower oil prices are good for us, the consumer. But it's been somewhat bad for the market because there's so many energy stocks in all the indices. So it could bring down the market. But it's great for us as a consumer because it gives us more money to spend other places. So that's something that definitely we'll watch because, like I said, in the S&P, a lot of the dividend stocks are these energy stocks. And if we see something that we saw last year when oil cratered and a lot of these energy companies looked really bad, a lot of dividends were cut, and that was kind of a problem for a lot of stocks.
So I guess for right now, you tell investors to just stay the course, wait for some news and indicators to tell us otherwise.
Yeah, we're doing the same thing. We made that one adjustment a couple weeks ago for really heavy aggressive investors, but otherwise it's still the same. We had a little pop last week. We gave it all back. We're just in this range. We're still right near highs. So there's really nothing to run and say, hey, the market's going to fall apart. And it is the summer, so low volume and just going to hang in there and watch what happens.
Well, Mickey, in the meantime, if somebody's looking at reviewing their policies, their investment portfolios, things of that nature, it might be a good time to do so. How do they get a hold of you?
Email me directly, Mickey, Mickey, at Envestim, ENVESTIM.com. Follow us on Facebook at our Envestim page, or follow us on Twitter at Envestim1.
Thanks as always, Mickey. Talk next week.
Thanks, David. Looking forward to it.